How do you become the most valuable law firm in the marketplace? If you're looking to sell your firm, what are some of those things that you can really do to maximize the sellability, which also probably is going to help you out on that value, maximizing that value? First, marketing. Invest in marketing and don't slow marketing if you're looking to sell. You want to make sure your marketing, your new client intake, and your system for doing so is strong and that you've invested in the firm for doing so, the firm brand for doing so. Make that marketing strong. The second is those operational systems that you have in your firm. Have you documented them? Have you built them? Do the employees have systems? Make sure you build those out and that you can really say, this is the business way that we get things done. Whether that's management systems, client service systems, anything else from that side, have those documented and be ready to go so you can explain those to a buyer, because that's how they see how they could step into your shoes and still get the same things done. The other is delegate and create your team. Your team could be your internal employees. It could be your outside, your accountant, your bookkeeper. It could be your insurance advisor. Whatever you have, create this team. You don't have to do everything yourself. And it actually is an impairment to the overall sellability and value where you've kept everything so close and you have a hard time delegating out. So create your team, delegate to that team. It's a great way for buyers to come in and see you as replaceable, which you want to be in a sales structure, replaceable, but the business can continue on successfully. And the last part is maximizing profit, not your salary. Overall, you have to look at the aspect of your goal as a business owner, a law firm owner, is to maximize the return for being the owner. And so that's different than paying myself a salary for billing and seeing clients and everything else. You may receive both. You may get a salary from your firm and you may get profits, but you really want to pay yourself what that reasonable salary is, and you want to maximize that profit. Don't hide things for tax purposes or anything else. Clean financials is great. And overall, you want to maximize that profit because that is what is the biggest predictor of a law firm value and getting a deal done. So take these tips and hopefully you can become the most valuable law firm in the marketplace.